This video is sponsored by EaseUS. Today we're going to migrate Windows from a slow HDD to a fast SATA SSD on Lenovo ThinkPad laptop without reinstalling Windows. For this, I recommend to have a SATA adapter and of course install EaseUS disk copy. So let's get it started. As you already understood, we will be working with a Lenovo ThinkPad X240 laptop which currently has an HDD drive. Before proceeding with the upgrade, I always recommend checking the compatibility of the SSD you want to install. In my case, the HDD drive has 2.5 SATA form factor, so I will upgrade the SSD to the same form factor. Therefore, there should be no compatibility problems. To begin with, we need to navigate to the EaseUS official website, a link I will leave in the video description. Then click on free trial and the download begins. To use EaseUS disk copy without any issues, you need to purchase a license for a month, a year or a lifetime. On this page you can check which plan suits you the best. Also, you can use the special Christmas promotion discount code SantaGift, which offering up to 68% off. I will also leave the link in the video description. After downloading, just go through the standard installation process. There's nothing complicated here. Before starting, I will connect the SSD to the laptop via a SATA adapter. Connect the SSD to the adapter smoothly, like playing Tetris. Everything should be easy. This SATA adapter supports USB 3.0, so for maximum speed I will connect it to a USB 3.0 port on my laptop. If you connect the adapter to USB 2.0 port, the migration speed will be slower, but this will not affect the final result in any way. Then you can open the utility and in the upper left corner click on System Mode. We chose this option because we want to migrate our operating system. On your left will be the current operating system, in our case Windows 10, and on your right you need to select the SSD drive for migration. I connected the SSD via USB SATA adapter and in the system it's showing as a USB device, which is kinda normal. Choose your SSD drive and click Select. Preview partition layout, leave by default and click on Next. In the upper right corner, you have an option to add the disk layout. That is, it's giving you the freedom to allocate space. However, I recommend to select Auto Fit the disk, because this option will be suitable for most users. Then click on Proceed and you will see the following message that all data will be deleted from the target disk. In my case, it's my SSD. Click on Continue and the migration will begin. Be patient, take your time, don't shut down the power, and of course, don't disconnect the SSD drive from the computer. This process may take some time. During migration, you can see which partitions are being copied in the window. After the migration, you will see the following message. You need to select No, because now we will have to turn off the laptop and install an SSD instead of a hard drive. Use this feature to safely disconnect the SSD and turn off the power. Congratulations, now we are on the final stage. You need to remove the back cover of the laptop by unscrewing the bolts, but be sure to disconnect the battery before doing so. This is necessary. For example, my laptop has two batteries, so I need to disconnect both of them. Once you get to the hard drive, you will need to disconnect it and the process may vary depending on your laptop. Sometimes you will need to unscrew some additional screws that secure the HDD. After removing the cover, you can install the SSD in the place of HDD and disassemble everything in the reverse order. Now you can try to turn on the laptop. Well, in the end we successfully migrated Windows from the old hard drive to a fast SSD, and as you can see, everything works without any problems. EaseUS Disk Copy is a lightning-fast disk cloning software for a Windows PC. With simple steps, you can easily clone an OS to an SSD or HDD without reinstalling Windows operating system.